What's good, traders? Welcome to another video. Well, today I want us to get to have a comparison between swing trading and day trading. So this is a conversation that I've been engaged with before. Also, if you are a trader out there, I'm sure you have come this discussion. You have come across this discussion at some point. Should you be a day trader, or even should you go and become a swing trader? So there are strong areas for each trading style, but since I'm a swing trader, I'm going to talk about areas that I'm conversant with, and that's swing trading as compared to day trading. I started from being a scalper, then I went to day trading. Now I've stuck for a very, very long time as a swing trader, and there's a reason for that. Comparing my statistics and, of course, how I've been trading, I find swing trading much more profitable. But one thing is for sure, with swing trading, you have to be patient. So before even we get to continue with the conversation, get deeper on the strong areas of swing trading, I'll just request you to take a second or so, one or two. Make sure you get to hit that subscribe button so that you'll be part of this team whereby we get to share some of the experiences that we get to go through in this trading journey. And of course, I'm sure if you are beginning out there, you're still in your early stages, this might help you in a way. So when it comes to swing trading, there are areas that swing trading really outweighs all other trading styles, and one of those is whereby with swing trading you have less stress, as well as you have less screen time, meaning you get to spend very little time on the screen, because once you get to take a setup, you know the setup is going to go for five, or it's going to go for a few days, if not weeks, and at some point you might hold a setup even for months. So you just take your trade and you get to concentrate and move to other things. So that's an advantage with swing trading, unlike day trading whereby you have to be on the charts after every 1 hour, and of course get to have a close track down of how the market is moving. So it's very, very important that you get to understand that. Also, another thing is that with swing trading you get better trading setup. Remember, in most situations, you'll be getting one or two setups a week. Like for my case, this week I just took one trade. And at these, in order for you to get this one trade, you have to make sure all your checklist, all your entry criteria, they have checked out. This way, you know for sure this trading you are taking, it's an A plus setup. Unlike whereby in day trading, you might take a trade today, two trades in one day, tomorrow the same, and at some point you may find yourself you are so addicted to that dopamine to a point sometimes you may find taking even C plus setups, which are they have low probability of going to your direction. So this way, with swing trading, it gets to give you that room to take your time, make that decision, and that way you find yourself even in a better position to take the best quality setups possible. So this way, this is something that with swing trading you'll find an advantage to you. Moving forward, guys, you also with swing trading you realize sorry, you realize you get to have a chance of capturing bigger moves. So unlike whereby you get to find yourself, for instance, you get to find yourself with daily, that is with day trading, whereby you find yourself you're just moving from a zone to a zone, or a candlestick open to a candlestick close. With swing trading, you get to catch an entire move, maybe a monthly move, a weekly move, and this way you get to avoid that room of taking unnecessary C plus setup, low quality setup, and this way holding that one move gets to give you that satisfaction, and of course gets to help you to avoid unnecessary losses, which gets to lower your winning rate. So with swing trading, you have an advantage of capturing bigger moves, and of course avoiding unnecessary losses. Also, another thing is whereby you have you have an advantage, or you have the room to have easier life balance. We're talking about whereby you have the ability of moving to other things outside trading. You get to invest into other businesses. If you're a person who has 9 to 5, you can get to take a trade, let's say on Tuesday, and you get to hold it for a couple of weeks without affecting your daily activity. So those are some of the advantages that comes with swing trading as compared to day trading. So those are just a few, guys, and of course the last one is whereby you get to have less emotional pressure. Remember, you don't want to be in a space whereby Every day you're feeling that pressure of taking a trade. Maybe you took some consistent losses. This gets to build up pressure in your life, and you don't have to have that lifestyle. Excuse. You don't want to be in a position whereby every now and then you're feeling the pressure of taking a trade. So it's very important, because you also need to enjoy life, and of course, don't live a life of pressure. So with swing trading, you have less pressure, and I guess that's the reason why I found it convenient for me. And I've so far been preferring swing trading, despite the fact that you have to build patience. With swing trading, it really gets to test your patience, and trust you me, you have to wait for that setup to come through before taking it. So with swing trading, you tend to be more patient and of course more disciplined. You take less setups over a long period of time, but if they get to hit the TP, trust you me, you get to outdo or outwin the day traders in a very, very big way. So that's it, guys. And of course, guys, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Talk to me in the comment section, and of course, hit that subscribe button. I would love to see you being part of this community. Peace, guys, for now.